व्हाट्स हुआ है? कैसे आप? वेलकम बैक टू वीडियो गाइस। आज हम लोग खेलने जा रहे हैं नो आई एम नॉट ह्यूमन। तो गाइस जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं नो टाइम ह्यूमन ही है। इस गेम का मुझे कुछ भी नहीं पता और ना मैंने इस गेम को पहले खेला है, तो देखते हैं इस गेम में आगे क्या होने वाला है। तो जस्ट गो। Actually, we just got back from our trip. Aren't you tired of staying at home? Yeah, I remember. Went to the beach, yeah. But it was late, we yesterday, so we went to sleep. We are getting ready for the you know how to go, but what can you do right? Okay, talk to you later. Bye. क्या करना है हमें? Better not to go in there. I will check during the day. Okay. Okay, so we can check. Okay, so we have to sleep. No, okay, not anymore. तो हमें स्लीप सोना ही था, यानी बस हमारा टास्क सोना ही था। ब्रेकिंग न्यूज़ at 6:28 a.m. today there was a powerful emission of energy from the sun. What? This burst of energy was far larger than scientists had predicted. What? As a result, temperatures outside have reached Okay, the government has since declared a state of emergency. We asked them that viewers refrain from going outside during the day. Up next, something lighter. Wow. So we are asleep now. It's the next day. Yes. अच्छा अभी देख नहीं सकता ना, अभी उठे। तो उसने कहा था कि वो हमें किचन में मिलेगा, राइट? तो पहले तो हम किचन में थे। तो फिर हम किचन में चले थे, उसने हमसे कहा था कि वो किचन में हमारे साथ आएगा। यस, वी शुड गो देयर। Damn, so it's all true after all. Well, then everything I said makes sense. Don't go outside during the day, and you have to remember to let other people in. Oh, why would I let people in? I know you prefer to keep your distance from them, but you have to. My cousin doesn't know for sure why we can't just bunker down by ourselves, but she mentioned that if anyone comes and asks if you are alone, say no and tell them someone in the house with. एक सेकंड, she come if you're alone. Okay. Say no. I heard. What do I need? हाँ ये तो चलो ठीक है, हम ये पूछ लेते हैं. The people you let inside might bring something or share some interesting information. Just don't forget to test them for signs of being a visitor. You won't have much energy during the day with this heat. अच्छा, so that's why हमारे पास ये है. So choose who you want to test carefully. You will have to take a real close look. It's strenuous, draining work. What is this? Let me check. So it's called Stranger मेरे पता नहीं, but you can guys and be sure to look out your windows. TV green hall, but there is no better source of info than your two eyes in words. What do we need to do? All we can do is try to survive and hope this ends soon. I'm sure the government will help us somehow. Maybe they will let everyone together or something like that. If they do, stick together with me and my family. Alright, that's it for me. Alright, almost forgot. I'm heading back home tomorrow night. Write down my number. They just set up the line over there. Okay, 159861. 159861. 159861. ठीक है. Oh dear, what is going to shake but cold bear still hits right. What the freak is this? तो अब क्या करना चाहिए हमें? क्या करना चाहिए? Now मुझे उसकी समझ नहीं है पूरी. No. तो मैं क्या करूं? Wait, I forgot. No. Also, we have to check the radio. To catch a signal, turn the right knob. Okay. We have to use. Looks like I won't be picking. भाई तो करना क्या है? मुझे कोई बताएगा? एक मुझे बता दे. By the way, I brought you a case of beer. My brother-in-law works at brewery. Knock one bag before you hit the sack. It will make you if you ever feel like you had enough for one day. Drink a beer. So we should drink it. What? You should go to bed. Now. No, I should go to bed. Okay. अबे इसका कोई काम नहीं है. We should sleep again. What? There is a time. तो मैं चेक नहीं कर सकते. Oh, finally a person. चेक करते हैं. Hi, is my daddy can you get him for me? I was looking more, but I really cannot able to sleep. Oh no, I'm scared of him. She's looking very scary. I know that she likes to drink a little bit before going out. When they go out, she always leaves me yummy lunch and dinner and food. But today I tried some of that dress of meat. It was so gross. Why would anyone take that when they could just have? Oh, please don't tell him I did that. Can you come in? I was taking like a bird on the roof. I'm not doing this. But I told him when I go to learn this. So what do you say? You don't mind coming? I look like I'm supposed to. No, I'm not. I got never. Why did you think that? Why did you think that? भाई मैं समझ नहीं है. तो ये कह रहा है कि सब भागे तो नहीं भाई मुझे लग रहा है मैं नो सॉरी तो बात है. सो लेट पर जैसा नो फनी कोई सो आउट इन सो वन मिनट I'm fine for me. Oh my god, oh my god, okay, just want to go and the video that I can make it was the mixer and I can connect it on Monday. I'm fine now. Now really help me how much time do I have to do for it. I have no idea what to do, but I couldn't do this. Then I have all of this video. तो नहीं बात कर देते हैं. चलो. Hello there, human. How lucky we are to be able to boil as I without the cleanness of our skin. But love and we are polluted as well. That anger is one. And now we're getting and the blessing also will end and we should live and righteous and forgot to ask you got any beer? Oh, yeah, I do. I think. Okay, फिर भी चलो ठीक हो गया. अब हम जरा चेक कर लेते हैं ये. You see a few teenagers hanging out in the yard. They are sitting around without a care in the world, chatting about something they pay you no mind. Letting you spy the house of your who is currently visiting you. Life blazes through the and it seems like his family is waiting for him to come back home. What's happening? Can't we use this radio? Guess I have to sleep. Good afternoon, here's the news. The sun activity rises steadily as crime level also reached a new high. According to the number of murders over the last few nights has surpassed average figures. Experts suspect this is relaxed to society of a growing anxiety surrounding the visitors. Why a visitor बढ़ता जा रहा है क्या ये चीज़? And now over to just a moment. Our studio has just received an urgent transmission regarding contact with the phenomenon. The phenomenon we are calling the visitors. Eyewitness account described them as creatures that can imitate the appearance and behavior of humans. Avoid contact at all. So in one case, a visitor was able to be identified with our telltale sign. Perfect white. अच्छा. Perfect white teeth. Our list seems to back this up. अच्छा तो perfect white teeth नहीं होने चाहिए. First they encountered an unhouse with perfect white teeth who later turned out to be a very अच्छा perfect white teeth जो है उसकी नहीं होनी चाहिए. That's all for now. Stay calm and don't leave out during the day. Up next, more weather updates, but first a message from our sponsors. Buying groceries used to mean trading, but with for rest you can get everything you need by just picking up phone. Just call 3803 and your grocery will be at your door within Monday for a delicious ad, right? तो चलो हमें एक और नया नंबर मिल गया है. Oh, most probably जरा I'm full of energy. Wait, what? अच्छा तो हमें जो है सुनने के लिए ओह तो ये वो बंदा है ना. Yes, was there something you want to? I want to ask you. What do you want to eat? What you want me to show you? Okay, take a look. Take in that odor of sadness. No. Perfect vibe तो नहीं है. देख सकते ये जो है चलो. Pretty yellow, right? Yes. So piss off with your test. I'm not a visitor. It was yesterday. I just have forgotten. But when I got there, I saw a bunch of books and thought maybe my roommate had some friends over or something. So I went to her room to find out what she was up to. But as I got close, I started hearing a strange sound. It kind of freaked me out. But I am decided to take a peek or look and see what was going on in there. I was only able to catch a brief glimpse of my roommate lying motionless on the bed when suddenly some grubby guy grabbed me from behind and said, "You can't go in there, she is not well." I wanted to read, but I was paralyzed by fear. Then he need to lie down. My stomach is doing some somersaults. What the fuck? All this. So this is test कर ही लेते हैं. What do you want to check? What? You're gonna make me okay. I can't really remember being at that. Oh, so she is bluffing. God, I'm so nervous. I can't even remember if I ate yesterday. Perfect white teeth. No, ये visitor है. Do I fit the description? Pull out the gun. Now I'm listening you a member of some faith? Guys, but my faith is nothing like the lowly region. अच्छा ये बंदा है ना पूरा रीच बंदा भाई. I was the police on flag position. The driver is sleeping on senior threat taking in the small. Go just try to send this guy case only and I did what they are doing. When goes to police and never find them some very teaching of salvation. They say out of it and was a pride and different. Themselves burned. What? What? Take him into your living room and perhaps also the soul of the faithful shall remain forever unwatered. Amen? Okay then. Now what should I do? Okay, so guess now we have to sleep. Then I eat and I'm single. What? Oh no, I guess I have to sleep now. Wait, someone has come. देखने तो कौन आया है? Hello. Wait, he doesn't bother me. I'm just looking for a call. My date wants something. भाई अब तो मुझे लग रही है वेट अ मिनट भाई चलो मैं पक्का नहीं आने दूंगा समझा चलो यार आने देते हैं वेरी बैड इज डिवेलपिंग विदिन द सन एंड यू आर इन द फिफ्थ हाउस आई सी इट आल्सो क्लियरली यू आर प्रीटी एडक्टिव aren't you I'm not trying to overstep it dark what I can just help you understand the call and behind the something is involved Karmic 69 like two circles scratch my back and I will scratch you and if they will shuffle you are juggling several conditions you're a complex person if we can use a film to reach the depth of your performance and prove everything is falling to place oh my you are quite a thing there's a powerful to target this one stop being stand still भाई इनको मैं नहीं आने दूंगा ना hello you can please help us I just want that bottle for 2 days forget look at the most important thing my cat is usually then I will just try to give my mom's house might not make it now I have to भाई मेरे पास वो भी नहीं है ओह सिगरेट cigarettes hello why I can't use phone oh no good afternoon here's the new diamond heat is controlled to rise and the middle of your head show no sign of slowing as such the governor has founded a new order to address the emerging situation program agency materials FEMA employees can be identified as yellow hazmat suits and gas masks okay mainly there since they are founding the new they had already discovered a new way to identify under the fingernail. So dirt under the specialists say that the sign helps identify who have crawled out from the underground. That's all for now. Stay calm and don't leave the house during the day. Next up, the crisis report regarding the pale manic, but first some ads. Considering now the call of the business, but in our kind of case, we're about to be left unanswered. Just as our cries were about to be left unanswered, the nurse talked to the 8-week baby girl from the Federal against Panic Agency are protecting from the news engineer. So far, the agency has identified over 27,000 dangerous animals. So, to do so, this time suspect and order seeking help. Okay. And you ever start to wonder whether he might be a mentor or not meant to call this man. Help us help him spook and now done. Oh, सुबह भी होगी क्या ये? Oh, होगी सुबह भी ऐसी. No, मैंने चेक नहीं किया. Have you become red? Teeth bite, dirt, any evil spirit has entered you. You are a visitor. Don't let this guy take over your life. Immediately. Okay. How do you know? Yes. Silly thing is, I am not the one who knows. I am simply a vessel. The stars peeking through me, the moon and Venus are conjunct in the sixth house. It's written all over you. You need not say a thing. I know someone just like you once. He always listened but never spoke. You know what they say. Jupiter is in the eighth house. It's better to say quiet. It's a sign of closed door. Want a reading? I need to test. Oh, darling, I knew you were good justice, but let us do your test. I shall see right. And Ragina will go ahead and look. Dirt अब मैं कैसे दूँ? ये dirt है? क्या थे? Perfect white, right? भाई perfect white थे भाई. अब मैं क्या करता? मुझे भी तो बताए ना. आप परफेक्ट वाइट है उन्होंने बोला है. एक तो उसका मुझे नेल्स क्यों समझ नहीं आया. मुझे नेल्स भाई. अबे यार इसमें क्यों छोड़ा यार. ये कौन है? वेट cigarettes. Any cigarettes? No, I have need cigarettes. 380. Like yes, I want. I have to please expect you tomorrow night. Tomorrow night? No, I need right now. Reports a pale man has appeared on the street of the city. From where the police have learned that his victims all had one thing in common: they were alone. The manics like to talk to the victim before committing their biggest murder. Police have assembled a sketch of the killer from every account. The suspect is a very pale, middle-aged man with black hair. He is semi-red. Okay. Further reports have added that he sometimes also wears the skin of a different person. The issue has not been confirmed. If you see this man, do not open your door. Do not tell him that you are alone. Okay. ये कौन है? That's all for now. बंदा तो नहीं है भाई. मैं पहले बोल रहा हूँ छोड़ो यार. मुझे पहले से लगा था भाई ये बंदा, इसलिए मैंने कोई से पूछता नहीं किया भाई. नो, आई एम नॉट अलोन. ना, आई एम नॉट अलोन. इट्स फील लाइक इट कैन हियर सम इनसाइड बट हू नोस वेयर दे विल बी इन स्टोरेज. भाई मुझे लगा ही था. मुझे लगा था कि ये वो बंदा ही आएगा, क्योंकि भाई हाई फॉर रेस्ट डिलीवरी है. तो again. I remember things were a bit the last time we closed back, it was in my life. It's a strange thing, I don't know how to explain. I like to start over every day. I would like to start a conversation with a divination. Tell my fortune by choosing a page in this book. Where should I open to? Yes. Who are you? Me? I am I. You? You were home. What? Yes, a tragic story indeed. Is this what awaits us? It's quite possible. What does it matter? I need to think it through carefully. Do you have any insights to offer? Anyway, I only came here to tell you something. Events will soon begin to unfold. Oh, it may sound strange, but the cat must enter. Cat must enter, but I cannot explain how. Yet I am certain it will help you. Yeah, you can choose what you do with this info, of course. Ask for me, I will think I will go up. I will go have a ponder on the deeper meaning of your divination. And done. He is gone. मेरा भी उसने आना है. भाई ये दो क्यों है? मुझे पहले सही नहीं लग रही हैं. यार. Hello there. I am lean on me for a bit. Do you maybe have room for us? For us उसने बोला है, not one. We all suffer from depression. We knew where things were headed even before all this hit the sun. Have you been following the news? It's all been leading up to this, but I don't think the sun gonna actually explode. I find so my sister can feel a little more comfortable. Then we will create a new life for ourselves. Then say our lives are over. Then they say our lives are over. But I disagree. If anything should get easier for. क्या ये विजन है इसलिए बोल रहे हैं या ये ह्यूमन ही है? You should leave. अब जो है बात थोड़ी ना कंफ्यूजिंग है यार. मैं अगर बाहर से देख सकते हैं कि कोई जीता हुआ तो चलो अंदर आने था. Help me bring her. I think our parents that's worse than her can do, but she's been like this for a long time. Maybe she will be able to snap out of it a little while. हो गया. मैं किचन में तो जाकर चेक कर लूँगी. There are small XP appliances standing by your neighbor house. You wonder what they are talking about. Maybe they are talking solar sample or looking for someone to set up space. The chair has been and the bodies are lying on the ground. Look, they have been there all day. Two of them are standing next to the bodies and writing something down. It's a good thing they showed up. Take away the corpses. You hate to think what kind of disease would suffer if they decaying like a lamb. What is this? तो गाइस हमने ये भी देख लिया. सॉरी मैं आपको दिखाऊं बैक. ओके वो थोड़ी सी वीडियो खराब हो गई थी, लेकिन अभी हम चेक लेते हैं एंट्रेंस में कोई आया तो नहीं है. नो. गुड आफ्टरनून. हियर इज द न्यू. Sharma has taken new measurement to address the ongoing visitors invasion. As of now, they have organized courteous to gain potentially dangerous suspects. Sharma has also identified a new various signs after experiment. Oh, okay. Blue, red eye. ठीक है, ब्लू और रेड आइज जो है उनके नहीं होने चाहिए. इसके ब्लू आइज हैं. This sign after opening, okay. Nothing the creature have been causing their eyes to become inflamed and red. That's all for now. Stay calm and don't leave the house during the day. Next report on from but first a word from our sponsor. So sponsor का definitely इधर आता है. Once upon a time, two brothers lived in the daily station got made by the founder Robert Brewery together. Since then, Robert has become one of the best-selling beers both at home and abroad. Robert can be drink the good now he was born as चलो. हमारे पास तीन आ गए. वाह, चलो पहले हम ये देख लेते हैं. Today we will discuss about water with our special guest, our Doctor of Science and respected employees of class. ठीक है. Then wait, not coming. What? did they steal all of those documents? There was mountains of information in there. Damn it, I knew we wouldn't be allowed to reveal the truth. Mother F. Mother F. You know guys what we have said. बस हो गया, शुक्र है। चलो भाई, इसका ना कोई है ऑफिस के अंदर, ओनली सम बुलेट आई हैव a lot of to give it bad years nothing has changed for but thanks for asking. Depression can make things really come. I'm afraid if something happens we need to run, she won't even find us or she will able to anything she can't agree to follow. I'm tired to everything that I need to text you. I just call my eyes. I use my sister cries a lot, but your eyes are still, they are not red is what I mean. Oh no, they are good. They are not blue, I think. My friend have similar eyes. Oh, they have similar eyes. If only was one bhai, you're keeping the take me. No, perfect right. They are perfect right. So it means they're gonna die. They're perfect right. Now that's good. Now I'm feeling much better after killing him. I'm gonna call it up, but there's something you want anything better. I know it's not worth it, but when I hear voices on the TV or over conversation, I let flicks on inside my mind. Then I stop myself. It's too much work for my. Oh, I'm done. There's not for mine era. Already so like all day enough before all this. One day I will hang from the chandelier and over the whole baptized world. Guess what? Now I will sleep. Your cigarettes. Did you know we have been forced to okay again per day? Oh, you still like to place an order? Please try calling again another time. Thank you. What? Oh, so we can't. Why? Discuss सकते हैं as you know. So guys, आज के लिए इतना ही। तो हम मिलते हैं आपसे अगली वीडियो में। बाय बाय।